Hello everyone, let's dive into the HYTE Y70 Touch, a case that's not just about housing your components. It's about making a statement. The first thing that grabs your attention is that mesmerizing 14.5-inch LCD touchscreen. With a crisp 2.5K resolution and a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate, it's not just a gimmick. The 5-point multi-touch capability makes interacting with your system stats, custom visuals, or even just displaying your favorite images incredibly intuitive. HYTE has upped their game with this display. The dot pitch is tighter, the panel is brighter, the contrast is higher, and the pixel response is faster. All of this translates to a noticeably better visual experience. Aesthetically, the Y70 Touch is a knockout. It's available in several colorways, but the black cherry is particularly striking. The three-piece panoramic glass offers an unobstructed view of your build, while the dual-chamber design keeps things clean and organized. For those rocking high-end graphics cards, the Y70 Touch has you covered. It features a massive 4-slot vertical GPU mount and includes a color-matched PCIe 4.0x 16 riser cable. This ensures your GPU not only performs at its best, but also looks fantastic. Cooling is a major focus with the Y70 Touch. It supports up to a 360mm radiator on the side and an adjustable top, providing ample room for liquid cooling setups. The cold floor cooling design allows for either three 120mm or two 140mm fans at the bottom, ensuring your components stay cool under pressure. The HYTE Nexus software is the brains behind the touchscreen. It allows for extensive customization, letting you tweak everything from system monitoring to displaying custom animations. It's user-friendly and adds a lot of value to the overall experience. The case supports ATX motherboards, making it compatible with a wide range of systems. The build quality is top-notch, with premium materials used throughout. The combination of tempered glass and metal gives it a solid, high-end feel. The HYTE Y70 Touch isn't just a case, it's a centerpiece. It combines stunning aesthetics with practical features, making a great choice for anyone looking to build a high-end PC that stands out from the crowd.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.